The Denso 234-4154 oxygen sensor is a direct fit replacement for many Toyota and Lexus trucks and sport utility vehicles from the 1990s and early 2000s, so it installs without modification or guesswork. It is built to original equipment standards, which means the connector, wiring length, and mounting threads match the factory sensor for reliable, trouble-free operation. The sensing element uses a durable ceramic design with added protection against contamination, helping the sensor maintain accurate readings over a long service life. By feeding precise oxygen data to the engine computer, this sensor helps the engine run more efficiently, often improving fuel economy and throttle response when replacing a tired original unit. Owners who do their own maintenance will appreciate that the pre-applied threads and correct plug make installation straightforward with basic hand tools. Overall, this Denso sensor is a dependable choice for restoring proper emissions control and drivability on aging Toyota and Lexus models that still deserve high-quality parts.